Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. And this process will also remove screen lock. So if I will lock the device, you will see that there is, all kinds of locking or unlocking methods as face recognition, fingerprint, and PIN. So to get started, let's power it off, power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Now once the device shuts off, we will then hold the power key and the volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Mi logo, let go of the keys. From here, select wipe data using volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm. Then again, select wipe all data by just pressing power key and confirm. And the process will begin. And once it's done, you will see that there is only one option, so press power key once more and once more to reboot the device and reboot to system, so once more a power key. And now the process will begin, not begin, but continue in the background. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.